Hello, traders. Today is 23rd of November, Monday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis. Today we had amazing volatility, amazing analysis, and beautiful pips, and most of the traders bank are such amazing profit. As you can see, one of my member made a beautiful profit today. As you can see, this is $5,421 profit today because of the volatility in the market, and this is the live account. So amazing profit, amazing analysis, and the trades I'm just going to show you in a minute. All right, guys, so let's back to the analysis review, and I'll show you which analysis, which pair he follow and bank us such a beautiful pips. All right, so just to recap, traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4 hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see, on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. Euro yen, just before market open, we did this analysis, and this was the beautiful breakout and nicely hit first profit target on euro yen counter long trade. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout and pullback based on the momentum. Beautiful long trade. Pound Swiss franc, we already had this profit, banked some profit, and we did another analysis instantly as soon as the price developed another pattern. You can see beautiful channel breakout based on the momentum. Nicely hit first profit target. Beautiful long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout based on the momentum. Another beautiful pullback long trade, which we announced through live audio commentary. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout and open a position, bank beautiful pips. And we also banks pips when the price reverse. Okay, let me show you guys what exactly I mean it. And I'll also show you how we analyze, market in 4 hour. And this is the, you can see the profit, pound dollar, pound dollar, pound dollar. Most of the profits pound dollar. He made a beautiful pips on profit on pound dollar. So let me show you guys how what exactly I mean. This morning, after the market open, we did this analysis. As you can see, the price nicely previously respected high. This breakout, so we take a pullbacks. Nice, bank some profit, and we announced 134,000 is a big psychological number. At that time, we did another analysis and we take a counter short trade and bank beautiful pips both ways. And here is the proof. You can see in this morning, just let me clear this one. This just after the market open, we did this analysis. So look for the pullback long, and afterwards you can see this was the nicely pullback and a breakout trade, bank some profit, and on the way back we also did this analysis when the price hit 134,000 area. So look for the short trade, and but we announced that possibility because we found a very strong bullish momentum. We did this analysis and we explained through live audio commentary support and through live audio analysis, through live analysis. And then afterwards we banked some profit on the way back. You can see such a beautiful, as you can see here in the analysis, we have this breakout which we announce it. We take a long trade, and then we announce another one pullback, beautiful pips on pound dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout short trade. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward pullback long trade. And Kiwi dollar, based on the, you can see upside channel, and we announced through live audio commentary and through live analysis that first priority would be towards the momentum and towards the trend. Beautiful pullback long trade on Kiwi dollar. Pound Swiss franc, once we have this breakout trade profit, then we look at in 4 hour price reach to the major resistance level. At that time, price develop another pattern which we announced to trader. Look for the breakout of the sideways market, which price nicely broken, and counter short trade on pound Swiss franc. Euro USD, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Euro yen, we already have this trade, bank some profit. Afterwards, as mentioned on the analysis, look first priority at the pullback, and then another one is the breakout. Within the analysis, which you mentioned here, to take a pullback, which price nicely develop a pullback, and we announced through live audio commentary. And afterwards, we have another beautiful, another scaling trade, long trade on euro yen. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Aussie dollar price, when the price reach to the major resistance level, as you can see here, And we explained to trader that the price, if the price failed to maintain this level, then we should be looking at counter trade. But the most safest trade would be if the price gonna break this triangle pattern, which we explained to our trader. And beautiful counter short trade on Aussie dollar. We have dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. When we explain, price nicely respect this support in order to look for breakout. Safest way, if the price gonna break the previous high or previous low, in that case price nicely broke on the previous high. If you look at the bottom, momentum was developing bullish, and beautiful long trade on breakout on dollar CAD. As I mentioned, you trader, that's because the price reached to the 134,000 area. Price develop a double top. Safest way, look if the price gonna break the previous low and this support area, which we take and bank some profit. As you can see, one of my trader banks such a beautiful profit on pound dollar. Dollar yen, pretty straightforward, consolidation breakout. That was the first analysis. We banked some profit. We also banked some profit. Well, all these breakouts, which is I'm going to explain to you in a minute. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward, as mentioned on the analysis. That look for this breakout counter, because the price, when the price reached the middle support resistance area, we need a valid technical entry. This was a pretty straightforward breakout counter short trade, and you can see price nicely hit to the final target. Dollar yen, this was the analysis we did at the New York session, and we announced all these trades because we're watching in 4 hour. Let me show you guys what exactly I mean it in 4 hour. You can see we keep telling guys, look for the safest trade. We keep updating in analysis. We bank some profit. We also bank some profit. So based on the 4 hour, as you can see, the price was at the major support area. You can see here, and we explained to traders, look for this breakout, which nicely broken and pulled back. Every time when the price breaks the major level, and we keep banking some profit on a dollar yen. Beautiful, a long trade, as you can see based on this analysis. Euro yen, we already have this breakout, bank some profit, and afterward, as always, after the breakout, look for pullback. Look at the bottom, momentum was still bullish, and as explained in the analysis, we have beautiful pullback long, and we also announced another one pullback long on Euro yen. Such a beautiful trades on Euro yen. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with all trade updates through live audio commentary support. Even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide Forex coaching and training. Even if you are struggling in Forex, most welcome join our platform and see all that analysis in real time. And you can practice alongside our professional trader, and you get a feedback on all your trades. So in that sense, you can develop your trading skills in a live trading environment. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love to make that pips and profits every single day alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome guys to join our fast growing trader community, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.